सोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello children, welcome to Mallaradi Memorial School digital classes. In this video, let us discuss the B reading of Unit 2 poem Its Change. Its Change is a poem. The title Its Change, we can see its is a contraction form of it is, or it's a short form of it is. Its Change is a poem written by Emma Gorey. Emma Gorey, a poetess, has written this poem, and it is a science poem. It is a science poem. This poem is written in 7 couplets. The 2 lines poem is called couplets. We can see 7 couplets in the poem, and let us see what is the change that poet wants to convey us through his poem. Coming to this picture, in this picture we can see a mother in kitchen and a daughter is ready to go to school. She wore a school bag and she is around 11-12 years old. She is saying something to her mother. Yeah, she wants to say something to her mother, and there was a conversation between mother and daughter. Let us see what is the conversation between these two characters. And we can see one character is mother and another character is a daughter. Coming to the poem, here is the poem. Mom, I don't want to go to school today cause I fear our world is in decay. Yes, yeah, this is the first couplet of the poem. Mom, I don't want to go to school today. The child is saying to her mother that she does not want to go to school cause I fear our world is in decay. Cause is a short form of because. Okay, so he has given short form of because. So let us see why she is not why she does not want to go to school. She's because, sir, cause I fear our world is in decay. Yeah, why she is fear? Yeah, she is a fear that the world is in a worst position. Decay means decompose, so we can say that a worst situation, bad situation. She is fearing, the little girl is fearing about the world, that the world is in a worst situation. And coming to the second couplet, I feel my teachers are part of the plot. I am the only one who sees through the rot. Yes, here I feel my teachers are part of the plot. Yeah, she's also saying that her teachers are involved in that plot. What is meant by plot? A plot is a secret plan. Plot is a secret plan, and she is saying that her teachers are also involved in that secret plan. And I am the only one who sees through the rod. I am the only one. Yeah, this little girl is the only one who sees through the rod. Sees through the rod means here sees through is a phrasal verb. Sees through is a phrasal verb and it means understand. Sees through means understand. So she is the only one who understand the rot means the worst situation. The situation is getting worse, and she is saying that I am the only one who understand this worst situation. Yeah, let us see what is the worst situation. Scientists are cloning pigs and sheep. Scientists are cloning pigs and sheep, saying it's change a quantum leap. Yeah, here in this couplet, she is saying scientists are cloning. What is mean by cloning? Yeah, cloning is a word. It means producing an exact copy of animal. Yeah, producing something, producing a copy of an animal is called cloning. So here the scientists, what are who are cloning and what are cloning? Here the scientists are cloning pigs and sheep. They are producing, they're making the uh, exact shape of pigs and exact shape of sheep. It means cloning. They are cloning these pigs and sheep, saying it's change a quantum leap. Yeah, they are saying that it is a change, it's a quantum leap. What is meant by quantum leap? It's an important change. They are saying this change is very important and it is an important change. Yes. Coming to the next couplet, biologists are making stem cells grow. Biologist. Who are biologists? Yeah, a biologist is a professional who has specialized knowledge in the fields of biology. Biologist is a special people or a professional who has a specialized knowledge in the fields of biology. They are making stem cells grow. Stem cells. What is mean by stem cells? A basic type of cells from which all other cells develops. We can see these stem cells in the laboratory, and from which sorry through these stem cells we can grow other cells. Okay, stem cell is a basic type of cell, and we can grow other cells through this stem cell. These biologists are making stem cells grow. They are growing stem cells in the laboratory and saying it's change the way to go. Yeah, they are growing these stem cells in the laboratory and saying that it is a change and the way to go and the way to go further. Okay, yeah. And coming to the next couplet, geologists are finding cracks in our earth. Geologists are finding cracks in our earth, saying its change, predicting its birth. Yeah, geologist. Who are geologists? Here, a geologist is the person who studies the uh, earth, study about the earth. Here, geologists are finding cracks in our earth. They are finding the cracks, how the earth is, how earth has cracks, and how earth has involved, revolved around the sun. Okay, these geologists are finding all these things, and in that he is finding about the cracks of earth also, and saying it's change. Yes, they are finding cracks in the earth, and they are saying it's change and predicting its birth. Predicting means guessing the birth, and we don't know exact date, and we don't know exact figure of the birth of earth. So these uh, geologists are finding the cracks, and they are finding the birth of the earth. They are predicting its birth. Okay, um, this is a thing in this couplet. Coming to this next couplet, archaeologists are digging up fossils and bones. Archaeologists are also a person who studies the human history and prehistory through the excavations. Archaeologist studies the human history and prehistory and before history through excavations. They do some experiments on the excavations, and they find out the uh, human history and also the prehistory. Okay, so here archaeologists are digging up. They are digging up fossils and bones. Yeah, and while they are digging, they find some fossils and bones. Then what are fossils? Fossils are the remains of ancient life. So we can find the fossils of animal plants, and we can find also the fossils of human beings. Okay, so they are archaeologists are digging up fossils and bones, saying it's change. They are saying it's a change and time for clone. Yeah, they are finding these clones, and they are sorry, they are finding these fossils, and they are finding these bones of humans, as well as some animals, and they are making uh, the same uh, human being with that fossils. For example, if we find a human fossil, for example mummy, so we can make uh, the exact human being, okay, with our modern equipments nowadays, that is called cloning. So we can produce the exact human being, and we can um create a exact human being with cloning. Okay, so their archaeologists are digging, and they are taking the fossils, and they are saying it's change, and it is for clones. Okay, they want to take the fossils and create something new. Yes, scientists are causing me great concern, giving us kids too much to learn. Yes, finally, she is concluding like this. Yes, scientists are causing me great concern. Yeah, these are all the scientists, geologists, biologists, scientists. These are all causing me great concern. Concern means worry. Here, they are all inventing some new things, and they are all inventing new things, and that new things will be added in the textbook. Yeah, in children, in this girl perspective, uh, all these new experiments on all these inventions will be added in the textbook, and the textbook will be a will big, and their syllabus will become more. Yeah, in her perspective, she is worrying. Okay, she does not want to go to school, because so all these scientists are doing their respective jobs, and that jobs will give her work. What type of work? Giving too much syllabus. Okay, so giving us kids too much to learn. Yeah, they are doing their respective works, and that respective works will be added in the books, and that will become a syllabus. And these childrens, whatever the 6th and 7th class childrens, they have to read that. Okay, so then they have to read all these things, and they have to remember all these things. So they feel, I mean, the little girl is feeling it is a burden to her. Okay, so in her perspective, this is all a plot. Okay, and by doing this, she is saying that the world is in decay. Okay, so it's a funny thing, but it has so much message. Okay, even though in the conclusion we can see it is silly, but it is a meaningful message, and it is a meaningful poem. Nowadays scientists are cloning, biologists are making stem cells, geologists are finding cracks of the earth, and archaeologists also digging fossils, and they are saying that it is for clone, and this time is for clone. Okay, this may cause some destruction, of course, as well as some benefits also there. So this is a science poem. Through this poem, the poet wants to convey all these things. Okay, so children, this is what the poem. Let us discuss about the remaining glossary part and question answers in our next video.